The big wrestle match. Mina, stop chewing on Maji's ears and let him play with our new friend Captain Charlie. Go ahead, play. Mina, leave him alone. Come on, go play. The big guy. Charlie is in the yellow collar. You can't miss him because he's the biggest. Oh, he's a thirsty boy. Look at those crazy guys. Hi, Charlie. Charlie, come on. Maji, let him drink. And then maybe he'll come and see me. Oh, I'm gonna mark everywhere there is to mark. Huh. Hi, buddy. Hi, you big handsome lug. Hi, you big handsome lug. Oh, I love you. You are such a good boy. You are such a good boy. And Mina's a good girl. What a good girl, Mina. God, he is just gorgeous. He's gonna play? Gonna play? Prances like a pony. Go ahead, go get him, Maj. Go play. What's to play? Don't mind the poop, I haven't cleaned up today. And there's a lot of dogs around here. Charlie! Hey, you big marker boy.